Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is I, George, the Philly guy. Today's adventure, we come up to Langhorne, PA. We're at the Oxford Valley Mall. There is an event held here today called Caffeine in Cars. What it is, it's a car show, pretty much held by the locals in the area, showcasing their classic automobiles and their hot rods. So I thought it'd be a good idea to come out, check them out. I'm inviting you guys to join me now. Now that's a nice truck right there. Wow. I like it. A couple Corvettes here on the left. Caddy Eldorado, one of my favorites. Nice. Classic auto. Wow, Barracuda. Nice.
Yeah. Well, I think the crank is different now. They crank? Okay. I had to go.
Wow, Z28 Camaro. Nice. Chevy Nova, also nice.
It was very easy.
Big old fuzzy dice in the window. That's awesome. Well, you don't see these anymore. Department of the Navy, United States. Little GTO action, nice. Ford Mustangs, also nice. That is nice. It's a nice GTO right there. Nice. Wow. Chevy Chevelle. Wow, nice. And the old Corvette here. Alright, so I think this is my favorite. This truck is awesome. Chevy Apache. Good Lord, that sits up high. I like it. I want one. And we got some of the newer vets here. Camaro, Corvette. Also nice. Wow, look at the steering wheel. Wow. Alright, well, not that many people showed up. It is early. The event started at 8 o'clock in the morning and it's till 12 o'clock. I'm here about like 9 o'clock, the 9 o'clock hour, 9:15-ish. So I'm sure more people will attend a little bit later on. There wasn't that many cars here to see, but I wanted to get here before the crowd did. I was able to record what I was able to record. There was music playing in the background. I'm trying not to get any copyright strikes. So that's pretty much it. My job here is done. We came, we saw, we took care of business. That only means one thing. I think we've come to the end. Once again, if you enjoyed this particular video, give me a thumbs up down below. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Turn on your bell notifications for all future uploads. Yeah, I try to switch it up on the channel, so I thought doing this car show would be a little bit different. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I thank you guys for hanging out. I am George the Philly Guy. I'll see you in the next one.